In this video we learn about integer in RStudio. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Integer data type is actually a special case of numeric data. Integer are numeric data without decimal. The important point is numeric data without decimal. As you know, we discussed in my previous video, which is about numeric data. Numeric data constitute on two types of data. One is a whole number like 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3 5 so on, and numeric data also constitute decimal points like 1.1 minus 1.1 5.5 minus 5.7. But in integer data type we have only complete numbers like 1 2 3 4 so on, similarly minus 1 2 so on. So it can be used if you are sure that numbers you store will never contain any decimal. If your data set contains only whole numbers and it did not include any decimal points, so you can use integer data type in R. For example, let's say you are interested in numbers of children in a sample of 10 families. This variable is discrete variable and therefore we can store this variable as integer data. But as you know, we also discussed in my previous video that if you put any data in RStudio, this is by default numeric nature. If you want to convert into integer form, then the command to be used for this purpose is as.integer. Now we perform the whole procedure in R. Here get command, our data set, now we check the data, either it is stored. Yes, this is our data set 3 and 6. Now I check its class, which class it belongs. It is numeric. So if you provide any data in R, by default it is numeric, but we convert this data set in integer form. So command to be used, this is variable name data as dot integer. We convert this data into integer form, so write its name, its variable name, enter. We retrieve data. Here is dataset 3 and 6. Now we check its class. Integer. Now this dataset is in integer. So here in you provide a dataset and retrieve data. We check this class. It belongs to the numeric dataset, and but we want to convert is in integer form. So the variable name that we assign data set and get command as that integer is the command to be convert the data. We write the name of variable of the data which we convert. So now we check again class data, this is integer. Thanks for watching. If you Want to see videos on numeric types of data in RStudio trunc function? Then click in the link in front of your screen. Thanks.